Low dust formula ceramic brake pads designed to keep those wheels clean. The Z17 ceramic brake pad surfaces are thermal scorched for a fast brake-in. Chamfered and slotted like OE pad to ensure noise-free braking. Designed for shorter break-in, better than OE. Include premium hardware kit for easy installation. The Z17 Evolution Plus brake pads were made using OE-positive mold technology to help control noise and premature wear. The brake pads are chamfered and slotted like OE, to fit perfectly on your car. Dual-active rubber shims provide 6 times more noise reduction. These low-dust formula brake pads are designed to maximize stopping power and keep those wheels clean. PowerStop's Z17 brake pads also include premium stainless steel hardware kit for easy, problem-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great product and price. So far the brakes are great. I have noticed that there is no brake dust on my wheels. I will admit that I have thought about changing out the front brake since the rear brakes are doing well.